how to log in into Dwellworks University account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with and on the search URL type in Dwellworks University login, then press enter on your keyboard. Then you will be taken to this interface. Now from this interface, head over to this link that says login Dwellworks. Then you'll be taken to this interface where you will see a log into prompt. So first of all, enter your email address and under that, enter your correct password and after that, click on login button to get to login into your account. Or in case you forgot your password, there is a link under login button that says forgot password. Click on that and follow some screen instructions and that will help you out to recover your password. Now, that's all for today's video and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.